I am NJ here. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, my students, Assalamu alaikum. Marhaba, sabal khair. My students and viewers, today we are going to view the use of interjection in speaking. Interjections are those phrases that show emotion and feelings, that express emotion and feelings. These phrases are called interjections. These are very commonly used in speaking as well as they are taught in academic studies in colleges and schools. Let's start our lesson up here. The first one is, you see here, is geese, 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 geese. Geese is Geese is added pronouns for annoyance. For annoyance, it reflects annoyance. Some annoyance. As you see the phrase here, I'm too late. I'm too late. I'm too late. Geese, I'm too late. Geese, I'm too late. Geese, geese, I'm too late. These letters reflect some annoyance, some annoyance, some trouble. I'm too late. I'm too late. She got filed. She got filed. She got filed. I'm too late. मुझे बहुत देर हो गई. I'm too late. Geese, मुझे बहुत देर हो गई. I'm too late. अफसोस मुझे बहुत देर हो गई. Geese, she got filed. Geese, she got filed. Geese, she got filed. अफसोस वो नाकाम हो गई. Let's see to the next interjection. Next one is here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my Khudaya. Oh mere Khudaya. Oh my God. Oh mere Khudaya. What happened? What happened? क्या हुआ? It's uttered for surprise. Oh my God is uttered for surprise. This interjection is pronounced for surprise. Oh my God. Oh my God. What happened? What happened? क्या हुआ? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh मेरे खुदाया. What happened? क्या हुआ? It denotes, it shows a certain surprise. So, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh मेरे खुदाया. What happened? What happened? क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ? Oh my God. What happened? Oh मेरे खुदाया. क्या हुआ? Oh my God. What's wrong with you? Oh my God, what's wrong with you? मेरे खुदाया, आपके साथ क्या मसला है? What's wrong with you? आपके साथ क्या मसला है? What's wrong with you? आपके साथ क्या मसला है? Let's move to the next interjection. Next one is yeah, 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 yeah. We got it right. We got it right. Yeah, we got it right. We got it right. This interjection is added pronouns for agreeing something. So yeah, 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 yeah. We got it right. We got it right. हमने इसे सही भांप लिया. We got it right. हमने इसे सही भांप लिया. Yeah, yeah. We got it right. We got it right. हमने इसे सही समझ लिया. We got it right. हमने इसे सही भांप लिया. Yeah, yeah. We got it right. Let's move to the next interjection. Next is yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy means purposhish, attractive, attractive. Yummy means purposhish, sexually attractive. Yummy means purposhish. What a yummy girl, what a yummy girl, what a yummy girl. कितनी purposhish लड़की है. What a yummy girl, attractive. What a yummy girl, yummy. Yummy means purposhish, attractive. What a yummy girl. What a yummy girl. Yummy. Yummy means attractive. What a yummy girl. What a yummy girl. What a yummy girl. What a yummy girl. कितनी purposhish लड़की है. Let's move to the next interjection. Next is शर्मिंदगी. They feel sorry. They feel sorry. They feel sorry. They feel sorry. Is uttered for embarrassment. Is uttered for embarrassment. Is uttered for embarrassment. They feel feel sorry. They 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 feel sorry. This interjection is pronounced for embarrassment. They feel sorry. They feel sorry. वो शर्मिंदगी महसूस करते हैं. They feel sorry. They feel sorry. They feel sorry. वो embarrassment महसूस करते हैं. This is very climax interjection. They feel sorry. They feel sorry. वो अफसोस महसूस करते हैं. They feel sorry. उन्हें अफसोस है. They feel sorry. They feel sorry. वो अफसोस महसूस करते हैं. This is a very interesting interjection. And next one is who. What. What a lovely day. What a lovely day. कितना प्यारा दिन है. This interjection expresses joy. This interjection expresses joy. Who. What a lovely day. What a lovely day. Who. What a lovely day. कितना प्यारा दिन है. Who. What a lovely day. कितना प्यारा दिन है. Hey, my students, these are very interesting interjections, and we have phrases. These phrases are very important. They are commonly spoken in English speaking, and these are taught in academic studies. I wish you all the best. Memorize these phrases and interjections. I will see you again. Goodbye.